Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious drumstick recipe, chicken drumsticks in an amazing tomato sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready the drumsticks. Yes, I am going to add black pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Remember, salt is to taste. 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of mustard. I am going to cover them really good, making sure that everything is nice and covered. Once you have the chicken drumsticks like this, then you're ready to cook them. So let's take them to the stove where I have the pan. On the pan, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I don't want to fry my chicken drums. I just want them to cook, but not fry them. So I am going to cover the whole bottom with the butter and the oil so the drumsticks don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now I am ready to start adding the drumsticks. Let me tell you, add as much or as little, but don't fry them. You really want to have the chicken drumsticks nice and moist, tender. So I am going to add everything in here. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to cook it for about 10 minutes covered without taking the lid off. And now I am ready to continue with the rest of the ingredients. Here I have 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to wake up by smashing them. And then this is very easy how to remove the skin. I'm going to remove the skin. And now I'm going to continue with the onion. I have half an onion. I'm only going to use 1/4 of an onion. I have my tomatoes. I have 3 tomatoes. I'm just going to cut like this to add it into my blender cup. And let me tell you, this is everything you need for the amazing tomato sauce that we're going to add into our drumsticks. I'm going to add everything into the blender. I'm going to cover it with enough water. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon or chicken bouillon, whatever you have at home, and then cover it completely with water. And then we're going to blend it completely until everything is incorporated. Look at this. This recipe comes out so delicious. The drumsticks come out so moist and juicy. And the other piece of the onion, I'm just going to chop away. You could leave it in large pieces if you want. I just want the onion to really release all the flavor in the sauce that we're going to add. And here, look at the chicken is getting nice and tender. It's already cooked. I'm going to flip it. Remember, we don't want it crispy. We don't want to get it nice and crispy. We just want to cook it down slowly, getting all those juices out of the drumsticks. And once you have everything in here, you are going to add the onion that we just diced. You're going to add what we have in our blender cup, the tomato, garlic, onion, tomato bouillon. We are going to cover it, cook it in medium low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Leave it covered. You really want the drumsticks to get nice and tender, nice and moist, where you could even pull it apart with a fork. Look at this. Now this is completely done. I am ready to enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share. And let me tell you, you could enjoy this with Mexican rice. You could enjoy it with steamed rice. You decide. But these drumsticks come out so tender, so moist that you could even enjoy it just as is. Let me tell you, my family really loves this recipe. It's a very easy recipe, very few ingredients, but this comes out amazing. Like I said, look how soft, look how moist the drumsticks are. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. Look at this. Oh my God. Perfection made at home. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chicken drumsticks in this amazing tomato sauce. I got a spoon because I really want to enjoy that little juices, all that juices of the drumsticks. Oh my God, this is just perfect. The drumstick is so soft, so moist. You pull it apart with the fork. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. The flavor, amazing. I tell you, make it, enjoy it with your beautiful family. Mmm. Perfect. If you liked and loved this amazing tender and juicy drumsticks and tomato sauce, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing and juicy and tender and moist drumsticks made at home with lots of love. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.